All right.
want to be honestly something more than a cup of tea.
All right, everybody. This is Peach. Peach is a home assistant device. It's more of an entertainment device, really. Started building this. Me and my co-founder started building this like last Friday. After we were very disappointed by the Siri announcement. Extremely disappointed, actually. We were like so pissed. I don't have it working right now. It requires many plugs and my keyboard and the mouse, whatever. Just come by the desk if you want to actually see it working. There's a screen and a bunch of, it's a Raspberry Pi, some speakers and all that. The cool part about it is it's sort of next generation. So like my roommate and I are always arguing about like stupid shit. Like, oh, who won the 1998 World Cup or whatever. If you ask Siri, like, she's pretty stupid. She doesn't know how to do it. She, whatever. I'm going to anthro whatever the models. We're always getting into stupid arguments. And it just really helps to have, like, hey, Peach, who won it in 1998? And that's a very simple one. I think Google could probably answer that. But, like, another way we used it was, 10 p.m. hits, we're bored. It's a group of, like, four guys. We're trying to, mess around, and it's like, hey, Peach, come up with like some spicy would you rather questions. And it can do it. It comes up with like insanely fun questions. You can take it a step further. You're with a date. Hey Peach, I need a would you rather question to better get to know this person. And she'll come up with a really good question. And my roommate actually tried that with his girlfriend, and they spoke for like an hour. I'm serious. Surprising. They've been together for like a year, but still get some stuff out of it. Another way you could use it is like it gets to know you, right? So I told it like, hey, McGill's the best uni in the world. I told it to remember that. The next time you ask it, you say, hey, what's the best uni in the world? It'll pull up a picture of McGill and go, yeah, it's McGill. It's pretty funny. So you can actually make it very personal, which is what I found interesting. That's pretty much it. If you want to see a demo, drop by. I'm going to be sitting right there. I'll have it plugged in. It's fully working. Most of the processing is done locally. Wake word detection, what else? That's pretty much it. Everything else is done on the cloud. But the wake word detection is done locally. That's pretty cool. It's AI agents are on the back end, I guess. So when you ask it for like a Google search or whatever, it'll go script the web, come up with an answer, and then report back to you. That's pretty much it.
Nice.
Any questions? Yes.
How do you do persistent memory?
So all the memory is done, it's stored on device. Right now nothing's being sent to the cloud. If you're asking for persistent memory across, like when I told it, hey, remember Peach, there's just a messages array, and it's kind of hard-coded right now, but if you actually want to productionize this, you could definitely do it. Any other questions?
You can also connect your phone to USB call.
All right, thank you.